All right, guys. A couple of weeks ago, actually about three weeks ago, I was riding my CBR 125R, and it started hesitating like really bad, like just the way it started when I first bought the bike, and the fuel injection light came on as well, and so I got really frustrated, and I was like, okay, well we have to like look into it. So I ended up opening up the fuel tank and looking inside of it to see exactly what was going on. And the stuff I found inside the fuel tank, it was like disgusting. So if you ever have a fuel injection problem where like a bike's been like stored like outside or neglected or whatever, this might help you solve as well some of the issues. I still haven't fixed it fully. It's actually at a shop.
Alright, so after all this writing, I felt that there was some power loss. And I opened up the gas tank and everything, and look at all that gunk inside of it. And this is the fuel, what do you call it? Fuel pump. And look at inside that shit. Oh, what the fuck? It's disgusting. It's gonna take a lot of cleaning before I can get it back together. And I think it'll run better this time. So I actually took some sandpaper and cleaned the insides of it, and it turned out to be really good. I put back the fuel pump, like I opened it up, cleaned it up and everything, and I put it back together. And I'm just gonna go grab some gas. This is like the old gas, and you can see it's fucking disgusting. That's the old gas in the cashew box. Anybody want a cashew? Look how dirty that thing is. Holy. Yeah. Battery's connected. Moment of truth. We're gonna prime it a couple of times because it is empty. There you go. Let's try in one. Try number two. Try one more time. This was the old gas that's got all the gunk inside of it. The color's all like shit. That's the new gas, and you can't see it right now. Anyways, I took out the injector and had it cleaned out. That's the fuel line going. Cleaned out the fuel line as well. And it's my fuel pump. I just had to take this part right here. I had it upside down, so I put that back together as well. I'm gonna put it back together and see if this bike starts up. We got the airbox right here. That's gonna go next in here, and she might fire up. All right. I'm gonna put back all the gas that we took out from the gas tank. I had it filled up because I was pretty confident I actually got it right, but there was one part of the fuel pump that I didn't put in as a rubber gasket. I forgot. And it was sitting outside, and I tried starting the bike and it didn't start. I was like, what the hell? And so, look at all that gunk that came out of this. We're gonna leave the bottom of this one. I'm not gonna put that in there. So let's give it a try, see if it starts up or not. This time the priming actually sounds a little better. Sounds just like how it should sound. Yeah. There you go.